Apple has controlled a deeply profitable, invisible monopoly over the creative world. If you are a high-end designer, an architectural renderer, or a Hollywood colorist, you don't just buy a computer. You buy into a visual standard. For years, that standard was defined by a massive paradox. Apple expected you to pay $1,600 for a display locked at 60 Hz, or shell out a staggering $5,000 for an aging Pro Display XDR that didn't even come with a stand. It was a classic Silicon Valley standoff. Tech professionals were furious, yet completely trapped, forced to choose between ancient refresh rates or bankrupting their studios. But behind the locked doors of Cupertino, Apple was secretly engineering a device designed to break the tech industry's most frustrating bottleneck. With the release of the next-generation Studio Display 2 and its ultra-premium sibling, the Studio Display XDR, Apple hasn't just launched another monitor. They have pulled off a massive, highly calculated coup that completely resets the boundaries of pro-level hardware. Underneath the sleek, deceptively simple aluminum casings lies a complex matrix of server-grade engineering, bleeding-edge connectivity, and localized computational intelligence that completely changes how human eyes interact with digital pixels. Yet, behind the breathtaking marketing specs and the overwhelming hype from tech reviewers lies a far deeper, more calculated corporate strategy. Apple didn't build these displays just to give you smoother scrolling or brighter colors. They built them to execute a ruthless engineering trap, one that ensures your next-generation computer setup is completely tied to their ecosystem forever. To understand the true, hidden gravity of what Apple has created, we have to look past the beautiful glass and uncover the desperate engineering crisis that forced Apple to turn a simple monitor into an absolute computational powerhouse. To truly comprehend why the Studio Display 2 is causing massive shockwaves through the industry, you first have to look at the embarrassing state of the premium monitor market over the last few years. While smartphones, iPads, and MacBooks quickly transitioned to buttersmooth 120 Hz ProMotion displays, desktop users were completely abandoned. If you built a high-end Mac Studio workstation, you were forced to stare at a panel that refreshed at the exact same speed as an office monitor from 2010. Creators were begging for high refresh rates, but the industry hit a massive multi-layered wall. Driving a high-resolution 5K or 6K canvas at 120 Hz requires an astronomical amount of data bandwidth. The old cables and data protocols literally could not handle the sheer volume of pixels moving across the wire without crushing the image quality or introducing severe, maddening latency. Apple's entire creative ecosystem was throttling itself on its own connectivity constraints. The Studio Display 2 is Apple's definitive, multi-billion-dollar answer to that specific crisis. It isn't just a passive piece of glass that receives a video signal. It is a highly active, autonomous computer disguised as a luxury display. To bridge this massive bandwidth and processing gap, Apple did something completely unprecedented. They took their highly advanced, mobile-class A19 silicon chip and crammed it directly inside the display's chassis. Think about the gravity of that choice. The very same silicon family that powers premium mobile computing is now running full-time inside your monitor, completely dedicated to doing one thing: